Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we have a controller for the Xbox. So this is a Xbox controller. The color is carbon black. You can see the control pad. Now this does need AA batteries, so you're going to need 2 of those. On the back there's information in terms of the buttons, the textured grip, the share button, etc. Now this is manufactured by Microsoft. So without further ado, let's open up the box and take a look at what's inside. So it does have a nice beautiful opening mechanism. The way the box opens, it's quite nice. Let's take out the controller. And they do include 2 AA batteries as well, so that is nice. Looking at the actual controller, as I mentioned, this is the carbon black color. Now it does have the textured grip handles, so better grip when in use. It does have some feedback or vibration, so it does have a vibration motor inside, and you do have the various buttons, configurable buttons, share button, etc. Now these controllers can be used even with the PC, so we're going to connect it to one of our PCs wirelessly via Bluetooth, and we'll give you the full rundown of how it works. So do get subscribed if you aren't for that detailed deep dive video. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share this with your friends, and see you in the next one.